Hey guys, this is Jatin with Rockro. Another technical video. Well, what generally happen when we create a new LinkedIn account. If we are from sales and business development, we try to generate a lot of leads. We try and generate a lot of leads from LinkedIn. That LinkedIn actually end up restricting your account by saying that your account has been restricted. It's very easy to basically start operating your LinkedIn account again. All you need to do is to upload your documents, but LinkedIn actually usually do not reactivate your account in most of the cases. Today we're gonna discuss that how exactly my account was restricted on let me show you that email as well to show you the evidence as well that whatever I'm speaking is truth actually. So my account was blocked recently on 8th of August, sorry, the 2nd of August. I submitted one of the basically document to LinkedIn, but LinkedIn does not accepted it and actually keep the restriction on. Though my the credential that I shared was a driving license and it's an original one. So Anshul is one of my colleague who is working alongside me. So he is a new hired. He tried to generate a lot of leads using LinkedIn, and LinkedIn end up basically restricting his account, saying that you are doing a lot of searches and your name, your photo doesn't sound genuine to us. You need to actually submit your original ID proof. Though LinkedIn says that you can actually submit any of the ID proof, but LinkedIn actually does not usually accept those sort of IDs. So make sure before you are watching the rest of the videos, the name that you have used on your LinkedIn ID and the photo that you have used, you have a supported original document supporting the same. If you have a name, let's say a college name at which you were running your LinkedIn account, then you cannot actually lift that restriction. Or you have created a fake account where you do not have any supported document, then you cannot basically restrict the restriction, uplift the restriction, sorry. So the account was restricted on around 2nd of August. I uploaded the driving license, but LinkedIn does not accepted it. So what I did, I initiated a parallel conversation of this issue with LinkedIn support team on Twitter as well. And then the Twitter LinkedIn team is superb. Their response time was superb. Within few minutes they get in touch with me, and I basically started having parallel conversation that though I have basically submitted all the details, still LinkedIn is not lifting the restriction. So they basically followed up with it, and they said that the driving license that you have uploaded is via DigiLocker. You need to actually upload a original one that is issued by government of India. So though I do not have that, so what I did, I uploaded a passport, the image of the passport, to LinkedIn support team. And finally on 7th, oh sorry, yeah, 7th of August, I got this email from the LinkedIn support team that I have removed the restriction from your account. So it's pretty much easy to lift that restriction. All you need to do is to have two parallel conversations. One, while you upload the documents via LinkedIn support team. Second, you need to have parallel conversation with the LinkedIn team on Twitter. How to find them? You need to basically go to the home page, and then you need to basically search here, search Twitter. You need to basically type in here LinkedIn, and make sure the account through which you are actually chatting with them should have the same name just like your LinkedIn ID. Otherwise they will not respond to you. They have the policy that the same person who is chatting with us should have the same Twitter account here as well. So make sure if you do not have Twitter account, you can actually go to the profile section and edit your name and edit your photo as well to the same account just like the LinkedIn one. You need to go to here in the message section and you need to basically text them. So this is how you can actually uplift the restriction if you have any on your LinkedIn account. Let me know in the comment if this particular video helped you. If not, again do let me know. I will try to help you with other tactics that basically I come through. So before we end this video, I would like to highlight that if you are someone who is a job seeker, then we have on our website a LinkedIn job oriented workshop where we guarantee to get you placed 100% with no charges involved. We will not charge you anything. All we need to do, all we have done is for you is to we have created this workshop for you where we're gonna teach you how to create LinkedIn profile, a job oriented LinkedIn profile, how to create resume, cover letter, company specific presentations, how to interact with HR recruiters over LinkedIn, how to get their email IDs, phone numbers is something we have discussed to make sure that you are actually getting the 100% HR interview call and a subsequent job offer. Second, if you are from sales, you want to generate unlimited leads for your business, but you do not have enough time to spend on LinkedIn. You want to automate each and everything on LinkedIn with respect to connection requests, messages, finding email IDs, phone number, storing data on CRM, anything you need, we have everything covered for sales professional, freelancers, or network marketers on this particular workshop. So please feel free to register here as well if you want to generate unlimited leads for your business. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment. We look forward to your presence in the next video. Till then, namaskar.